important question for the definition for the derivative. Now, let fx is equal to, it is given x square plus 4x plus 3. Now, by definition, f derivative a is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f a plus h minus f a upon h. Okay. So, this becomes now f derivative 3, because we have to find at 3 is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f 3 plus h minus f 3 upon h. Okay. Now, this further, now we can write it limit h approaches to 0 starting from the first part, that is f3 plus h. Okay. Now, in place of x we are going to put 3 plus h. So, we will be having 3 plus h whole square plus 4 times 3 plus h plus 3. One thing, negative of, now it is f3 in place of x, now we are going to put 3. So, this becomes 3 square plus 4 times 3 plus 3 upon h. Is it clear? Now, this becomes limit h approaches to 0. Now, let us solve this part first. 9 plus 6h plus h square plus 12 plus 4h plus 3 negative for this part, 9 plus 12 plus 3, that is 24 upon h. Limit h approaches to 0. Now, this becomes h square plus 10h plus 24 minus 24 upon h. This is equal to, now f derivative 3 is equal to limit h approaches to 0. Now, 24 and 24 cancels, we are left with h plus 10 upon h. Okay. So, this becomes limit h approaches to 0 h plus 10, this is equal to 10. Okay. So, this is the answer.